Yeah.
Can I have some more gum?
Yeah.
You got any more?
Yeah.
Here, my phone has most charge.
You want more?
और वो बैग भी किसी के अंदर डाल दे।
The flowers just
And then you can send it to wherever you have it.
it's the Washington Monument.
Rồi chắc để mình nó phải lại gần chút.
Bawat sa imo. Yeah, let's go. You feel cold? Look at all the petals of flowers now are. They'll be gone in a couple of days.
Mom. Mom, don't pull me to the side. Mom, don't pull me to the side. I'm over
Here,
here.
there's a nice
Nice what?
pink
Little tree.
cherry, yeah, flower. Right here.
Mom.
Yeah.
Ya mi celular está muriendo. ¿Ya? No, pero quiere parar saliendo. No por
Mom, duck.
Where?
Tiny little duck.
I remember this Liam, this place where you have a picture here before.
The duck has a bunch of white things on her nose. Or she.
Come on, let's walk. Stay there. Stay there. The duck is the duck is gone.
Best spot? Let's go over here.
This one is nice. What are you doing?
Mom,
Mm.
I did this part out, but I think this should be like the part of like the beginning picture for the thing.
Oh, there you go, yeah. Look here. It's not pretty clear though, it's like you have a shadow. Not a nice view for the thumbnail. Come on.
Want to find a pink tree?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mom, maybe if we go to the other side, we'll find some pink trees.
Oh, that's way.
Want to go over there?
I don't know. It's just too far.
It's fine, Mom. We're almost to the bridge.
Remember we hang out here before? You and Dad sit down here while you guys are waiting for me.
Nope. Not.
What is that, Liam? Right there.
What is what?
What is that? That white?
Like a national thing?
What is it?
I don't know.
It's the Washington Monument. Oh
I thought it
dear.
was just a pointy tower. We learned no history about that.
Oh, Liam, your teacher is gonna be not happy with that. A gift for the pink cherry trees along the Arakawa River near Tokyo. Oh, 1912. Cherry trees are the business.
100 or more.
I'm going from that's from the original stock. Wow. From young saplings gone from cutting to healthy.
Come on. Hmm? I remember, I don't know where we...
Mom, look at the car.
Right there.
Did I bring our youth?
But I want to have a background.
I see some peas in the tree. I saw some.
Are we gonna go all the way there?
Sure.
Are you tired now? Huh? We are here in, it says the first Japanese cherry trees presented to the city of Washington as a gesture of friendship and goodwill by the city of Tokyo were planted on this site, March 27, 1912. This is so pretty. Yeah.
Mom, I found a good spot for me.
Where? Oh, there. You can sit there, Liam. Right there. Right here.
No, I want to sit somewhere in the shade. Mom, I want to sit somewhere in the shade.
Okay, did you find a spot?
Yeah.
Okay. Where?
There's two trees connecting. So that makes a lot of shade.
You just want to sit in here? You gotta watch out for Dad also. He's on the way here. Right here, Liam. Oh.
See, look, we have a nice straight path. Nobody.
Huh? What's that?
This one has a lot of roots.
Mm-hmm. Should have just come here early like the last time. Like not much people. Yeah, we're not gonna go all the way there. That's yeah. So this is the whole tidal basin all the way there. Over there. Nah, that's too much. We have to
I would
find.
be tired.
Yeah.
Heck,
And it's-
this would feel like gym class going on for an hour.
yeah.
Literally, like not.
Yeah.
One side is literally like the whole entire gym.
Mm-hmm. Look at all the petals. It's like a snow. Look, come here, Liam. Look. Come on, let's go back and find Daddy. Over here.
No, you're gonna push
No, I
me.
just want to give you a hug.
No.
You stepped on that crack.
No.
Come here.
You're not gonna get me.
You got it. Step on that bus.
I
You got
stepped
1 point.
on. I stepped on no cracks.
You got 1 point.
Way.
You have to hold his legs.
Find that third one there, Dad.
Okay, I think you did step on it.
Two. The crack. 2.
Dad.
There's 2 right here, dude.
Dad,